Good afternoon, everybody. It's Miss Sarah, and we are going to talk about our question of the day. Pregunta del día. So our question today is, how many people do you live with? ¿Con cuántas personas vives? So when we are talking about how many people you live with, I want you to think about how many people live in your house. And maybe if you live in an apartment building where a lot of families live in one house, I want you to think about who lives in your apartment. Okay? So who lives on your floor? Who do you live with? So, like Miss Sarah lives in her house, and in her house is her mom, my dad, Miss Sarah, and her brother. So Miss Sarah lives with four people. One, two, three, four. So I want you to tell me how many people you live with.